Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Ghazanfar Ali, and in this channel you'll find solution to economic and finance problem. Today our topic is introduction to micro and macro economics. As you know, economics has been divided into two major parts or two major branches. One is microeconomics. Micro means small. The economics dealing with the part or a unit. And then we have macroeconomics, and macroeconomics means the economy, the whole economy of a country. Let's start with the microeconomics. Microeconomics is the study of the choices made by consumers, firms, and how these decisions affect the market for a particular product or commodity. Microeconomics also focuses on the analysis of individual economic units. As I mentioned earlier, in microeconomics, we do not study the whole system, rather, we study a single part of the whole system. Like we take one single firm, one household, or one producer, and we study the decisions made by a single individual producer or a consumer. Microeconomic analysis can be used to understand how markets work and predicts changes in the market. And as you know, market is a place where buyer and sellers meet for the purpose of exchange of goods and services. So in microeconomics, we study how market behaves or functions, what happens when supply of a product remains the same while demand increases or decreases. On the other hand, we also study what happens when demand remaining constant, when there is a change in the supply of the product, or when supply increases or decreases. All these changes, when we study, it comes under the domain of microeconomics. Microeconomics is also used to make personal or managerial decisions. Whenever a person or a manager takes decisions, he is guided by the principles of microeconomics. Microeconomics gives you the tools to analyze the impact of taxes, different type of taxes, labor unions, competition, pattern of production and consumptions, and other decisions made by individual economic units. Now we study the second major branch of economics, that is macroeconomics. Macroeconomics is the study of the nation's economy as a whole. We study the whole economy of a country. Macroeconomic analysis can be used to understand how a national economy works. Macroeconomic analysis can be used to understand the grand debate over economic policy, like fiscal policy and monetary policy. Macroeconomic analysis can also be used to make informed business decisions. Macroeconomic analysis can be used to understand important everyday economic issues such as unemployment, inflation, interest rate, exchange rate, the standard of living, and the federal budget. With this, I conclude my lecture. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe for more educational videos.